with the objective of enhancing the efficiency of the Parliament, the strategic plan was developed, and based on that strategic plan, we worked not only on the infrastructural development, we also worked on the digitization of the National Assembly. And with this productivity tools of the Google, I think, will be able to build a requisite database for the decision maker, means parliamentarian, to produce laws and to frame new policies as per the requirement of the people of Pakistan. And I hope that the efficiency of our legislation, the efficiency of our decision making and policy making will increase tremendously. Thank you.